Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by enabling Talkback in settings because screen feedback is essential. Open Flipkart and sign in, use simple gestures, tap once to select, double tap to activate. Once done, explore the bottom navigation bar. Talkback will announce each tab. Make sure to allow notifications so prompts read aloud. Practice a two-finger swipe to scroll product lists smoothly, and pause briefly after gestures so Talkback can finish speaking before you interact again. You'll use the search box next. Double tap to activate text entry, then type and press the search key. Once results appear, move to filters. Talkback reads options, so navigate to price, ratings, and delivery and double tap to apply. Use Explore by Touch to find product images, add to cart, and details buttons. This helps when layout is dense. Make sure to listen for headings like reviews and specifications. These guide your decision. If detail pages are long, use headings navigation to jump quickly. You complete the flow by reviewing your cart. Talkback reads each item and price, so verify quantity and double tap edit to change it. Proceed to address and payment screens. Talk through the selected address and payment method before finalizing because confirmation is irreversible. Once you place the order, check orders for tracking updates. If Talkback becomes unresponsive, restart Talkback or force close and reopen Flipkart. This usually restores speech and focus. If not, reboot the device as a last.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.